doing this whole-scale change workshop because we strongly believe that the competence, the skills, the mindset you need to do whole-scale change, to do scale on a large scale, is a competence that is needed in the world the most at the moment.
Visioning and purposing is a heart activity, not a head activity. We're here to explore and learn, I think, a different way of actually working with organizations. I think that's the way in which consultants and people have worked with organizations to create change, sustain change, doesn't really work very well. And we don't build the ownership and commitment. We don't get everybody on board. As a result, things take too long. By the time you get to the end of one change, the next change is already on top of you. So we're here to explore how to actually imagine engaging the whole system, right? And not letting the few decide for the many, but let the many co-create for themselves.
My main takeaway so far, from one side, this atmosphere that this can be created, and also how to create dialogue, because it was very consciously built up during the whole training time, from the very beginning until now on where we are now.
So the 1.5 days we had already exceeded my expectations. I was surprised that there are so many people. I was surprised that there are also people coming from everywhere. That was not what I had expected, right?
I really like the crowd, the mix of people. It surprised me that it was such an international event. People literally come from all over the place, from far away. We really took a deep dive into those stakeholder interviews where you literally play the role of a stakeholder. So you put on the hat of somebody else and you answer through their eyes. And that was pretty emotional. And I think the whole vibe in the group changed when we did that.
It's kind of really a luxury for me to step out of my business, learn something, and at the same time take a case that actually is in my mind 24/7 and bring it here and bring it to people who are very knowledgeable, who come from very different backgrounds.
I think the topic of full-scale model and having a look from the different perspectives on an organization, bringing people together, working in real time on really relevant strategic topics, and how to spread this spirit out to the different companies and organizations. That would be my answer why we're here today.
With the whole-scale change workshop, and that applies to everything that I've learned from the Train Consulting organization, that is totally different because you hear the theory, you apply it immediately, you have a sudden and lasting and sustainable impact on your work, you have it in your DNA, and you can draw from that. And yeah, I love it.
So what I take with me so far from this workshop is the security, the deep insight that we need to do this much more often. That we need to bring people together in diverse groups, in diversity, in locations like that, where people really can strive for more. This is what I take away from all of that.